love yours. No stress for me.
All right, y'all. So me and baby about to go into the actual farm part, and there's chickens and goats just walking around.
Look at one coming to us.
Oh my God, it's coming! Look! Wait.
So they coming to eat.
They coming. Oh, they ain't worried about us. They coming to eat. But yeah, we're about to actually go in here, y'all. Okay, here we go.
Need to go. Look at that one coming, and it better not get me.
Chickens. Oh, he has one in his hand. Hey, little chicky. Hey, little chicky.
I like this one. This one.
Eyes closed, mouth smacking.
Nobody come take
Oh, he stopped chewing. I got close. His eyes closed and everything. Ooh, wee. Big chillin'.
facing it.
Yo, so I've never in my life seen an ostrich this close. Have you, baby?
No. But I'm excited.
You excited? Oh, look at that big old pig over there, boy. Ooh,
No.
wee. They just lazy. Oh, y'all, I'm finna take out to the ostriches. Be careful, because ain't they mean?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Close your mouth.
This thing's fast, too.
It is.
Hello. I feel like if we were to get in there, they'd tear behind us.
We wouldn't be no hello. That one cute.
Hey, y'all, how y'all doing?
Hey, how y'all doing?
What's going on? All right.
You gonna pick it up?
All right, y'all. We finna go through the maze now. We're going through the haunted maze, the not so haunted maze, because it's only haunted after October 1st. So, is it opening over there? Cause the show ain't one right here. I'm confused. What kind of maze is this? There ain't no way out. Okay, let's go back this way. Maybe we thought we'd be able to walk through, even though it's not like open. We thought we'd be able to walk through. Oh, he got in. We went the wrong way. And the first turn the first turn, y'all. We're supposed to go that way. Let me take a picture with the wolf. You? I don't want a picture with the wolf. I want to take a picture with him. Oh, Jesus! We done found the graveyard. We done found the graveyard, y'all. I thought that was a real person laying over there. Y'all see it? Ooh, Lord. I'll take a picture by him. All right, y'all, we finna go. We got our pumpkin. Show them your pumpkin, baby. This is our first time getting pumpkins from actual farm. So it wasn't bad either. $11 per pumpkin. And we finna go get the stuff to carve them and then
Update.
yeah, update y'all when we get to the house. I guess we're gonna make this into a longer vlog. It's gonna be just a farming vlog, like going to the farm, but might as well add in the second part too. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the house. We got our pumpkins. We're gonna put our pumpkin seeds in that Tupperware bowl. And then we got the vibes going. We gotta finish Hocus Pocus because somebody has never watched Hocus Pocus. So my pumpkin is gonna be facing like forward this way. It's gonna have a slick back ponytail, you see? So yeah, I'm gonna do the, oof. We're gonna carve out the bottom of the pumpkin because I saw that on Google and TikTok that it's better to carve the bottom of the pumpkin. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. You can't see mine.
Probably a little bit.
A little
You're
bit.
far away.
All right.
Okay, hold on. I got my. You want to start the show? Yeah.
Restart my potatoes. No.
We just finished carving the pumpkins. I'm about to add one final touch to mine and then we're gonna show y'all the final product. Also, we got to rub Vaseline on them to lock in the moisture. And then yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all a sneak peek. Here's a sneak peek of mine. Baby don't have a sneak peek because she, well, I guess you can see her mouth right here. But yeah. All right, y'all, pumpkin reveal. So baby pumpkin on the left, my pumpkin on the right. Y'all gotta let me know in the comments who pumpkin y'all think came out the best.
Everybody gonna say yours.
I'm glad you know. Close up.
Okay, get a close up on mine.
I will get there. I will get there.
Mine would win the cutest pumpkin. Yours would win the.
Nah. It's creative. She got a little star. Could lose a little clean up in here, but it's okay.
Your knife was easier to use, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're gonna put lights in them.
You're gonna put
So
lights.
they look really cute outside at night.
Yep. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed this little vlog or whatever. Until next time, peace.